Hi there everyone. This driving lesson is for beginners and experienced drivers alike. We're going to learn how to steer properly. It's hand over hand steering, and if you're going to be taking a driving test in Canada or the US, this is what they expect to see. They don't want to see you putting your hands in the wheel or holding the wheel like this when you're driving, or like that, or palming the wheel like, nothing like that. So let's go. This is how it's supposed to be done. Hand over hand steering. This is a steering practice, and usually you don't need any acceleration when you're doing this. And a good place for you to practice this is going in a circle just like I am right now, so you can really practice. Again, hand over hand all the way to the left. When you get to the end, you hold it. You don't tighten the wheel, just hold it in place. Let's go once more. All the way to the right. See, I don't get my hands down here